Again, tensions continue to escalate between the BJP and the Shiv Sena and Kalyan Dombivli over claims of the mayor's post. After MP Shrikant Shinde had said, and I quote, "The public knows whose mayor will be elected." The BJP countered that whether the alliance happens or not, the mayor will be from the BJP. The statement was reiterated by Kalyan BJP District President Nandu Parab, and the political poaching continues between both parties. In the presence of BJP State President Ravinder Chavan, leaders from both Shiv Sena factions, Vijay Joshi from the Shinde group and former corporator Sheetal Mandhari from the Thakare group joined the BJP, with MLA Sulabh Gaikwad facilitating the induction.
अरे बाबा, मी महायुतीचा कार्यकर्ता आहे. अरे कोणी काही बोलू द्या, मी महायुतीचा कार्यकर्ता आहे. महायुतीचा महापौर जो आहे तो या कल्याण डोंबिवलीमध्ये बसेल.
तुमचं मत एक आहे, परंतु कार्यकर्ते आहेत ते आपसात भांडतात.
अरे बाबा, इथे लोक जे आहेत ही लोक जनता जनार्दन आहे ना ठरवायला की महापौर कोणाचा बसणार. तो मी बोलून, महेश बोलून, निलेश बोलून किंवा कोणी बोलून 1,01% होणार महापौर, हे असं थोडी होतं. अरे लोग, ये पब्लिक है, ये सब जानती है.
My colleague Anuj joins us with more details. Anuj, now, as far as what Shrikant Shinde is saying, he's saying that the people will decide as far as the mayor is concerned, but the BJP says that party workers want a BJP mayor in the KDMC.
You know, it is important for us to understand that although we are looking at Kalyan Dombivli Municipal Corporation at this moment, but this in a way gives us a glimpse of what is happening in the entirety of Maharashtra as well. Where on one side, of course, we are deciding or discussing on whether there is unity amongst the opposition parties. It also becomes interesting to see whether Shiv Sena, NCP and BJP are united on ground. We have seen examples of NCP leaders giving statements from Pune and close by areas about how they would want to go alone without the support of Shiv Sena or BJP, and a similar thing been reiterated by Shrikant Shinde only a couple of days back, and shots were fired or countered against him by the local BJP people. Now, what is important again to note here is that a lot of these hints about parties either willing to go alone or, you know, willing to go with their Mahayuti allies are very subtle. They are not giving any sort of direct hints, and that is because amongst the top three leaders, that is Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis and his two deputies from the other two parties, there has not been any sort of consolidated decision on whether to go ahead with these polls independently or with the alliance of the other parties as a whole across the state. And that is why one can see that these subtle hints are being exchanged at the very local level, where these leaders are making sure that they keep the possibilities of going alone in their powerful areas still open. You know, while Shrikant Shinde's statement is something that we're looking at from Kalyan Dombivli Municipal Corporation, just a while back we also heard from former Central Minister Praful Patel, who is a senior minister with Ajit Pawar, talking about how certain parties think that only by distributing money they can win votes.
Right.
And that by the opposition is seen as a direct dig at the Bharatiya Janata Party. So it will be interesting to see that before the state goes to the civic polls, which are taking place after almost a decade here in Maharashtra, will this friction cause some sort of dent to the larger unity of the Mahayuti across the state?
Right, thank you Anuj for joining us and bringing us those details. I'm also being joined by Anand Dubey, Shiv Sena UBT leader. Thank you for joining us, Anand जी. अभी जो चर्चा हो रही है वो KDMC मेयर के ऊपर हो रही है, और बीजेपी ये कह रहे हैं कि बीजेपी के ही नेता बनेंगे KDMC मेयर, लेकिन शिवसेना का भी उम्मीद है कि जो लोग चुनेंगे वो मेयर होगा. तो इसके बीच में जो टसल हो रही है बीजेपी के अंदर, इसके बारे में आपका राय क्या है?
देखिए, जब मालिक और गुलाम के बीच में कोई समझौता होता है तो जो मालिक चाहता है वही होता है. गुलाम सिर झुकाकर उसको सुनता है. भारतीय जनता पार्टी के केंद्र में सरकार है, महाराष्ट्र राज्य में सरकार है, ईडी, सीबीआई, चुनाव आयोग सब उनके पास है. ऐसे में एकनाथ शिंदे की जो नकली शिवसेना है वो सिर्फ एक इच्छा प्रकट कर सकती है. इच्छा पूर्ति करना न करना वो बीजेपी के हाथ में है. बीजेपी पूरे महाराष्ट्र में जो 28 महानगर पालिकाओं के साथ साथ मुंबई महानगर पालिका के चुनाव है, वो इनको जो दे देगी वो लेना पड़ेगा. बाकी अगर ये आंख दिखाएंगे तो ईडी, सीबीआई सब रेडी बैठी है. यही बीजेपी हर जगह करती है, यही मुंबई और महाराष्ट्र में भी कर रही है. लेकिन आपको बता दूं कि मुंबई की जनता और महाराष्ट्र की जनता सब देख रही है ना, तो वो इन पर विश्वास नहीं करेगी। महापौर तो हमारी शिवसेना का ही बनेगा। अगर हमारी पार्टी का नाम और चुनाव चिन्ह हमें जल्दी मिल जाता तो हम और प्रभावशाली ढंग से लोगों तक अपनी बात पहुंचाते। खैर, हम उस उम्मीद में हैं कि आज नहीं कल हमें विजय मिलेगी, लेकिन ये एकनाथ शिंदे की शिवसेना ज्यादा दिन बीजेपी के पास नहीं रहेगी। इसको ये लोग खत्म कर देंगे, तोड़ ताड़ देंगे, और बीजेपी पूरे महाराष्ट्र में अकेले सत्ता में रहना चाहती है। उसको बैसाखी की अब जरूरत नहीं है, ऐसा अमित शाह जी भी कह चुके हैं।
Thank you, Anand Dubey, for joining us and sharing your thoughts on the development.